Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got a 16 by 20 canvas ready to go here with white acrylic. All my paints have been mixed with Floetrol. So I have 40% acrylic paint, to 60% Floetrol mixed up. That's my mix ratio. No water, I didn't add any water. I want to see if it changes anything in the way my paint dries, the way it flows, all of it. So changed up my mixture a little bit. I usually do 50-50. Whether it's glue and water and paint mixed together or it's the Floetrol and the acrylic, I was always doing 50-50. So now it's 40% of it is acrylic paint, 60% of it is Floetrol. No water. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. All the comments, all the thumbs up, keep them coming. It really does make my day. Okay, and I've got something exciting to share with you tonight. My sweetie Greg got himself a little bit of an early Christmas present. He got himself a 3D printer. He knew that I really wanted to have a split cup, so he made me one. He made this beautiful split cup with my name on it, Sandra Sensations. Hopefully that's showing up nicely. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. Isn't that awesome? I can't wait to try this. I've never done a split cup pour, so this will be the first. All right, so I have picked my colors, which it should be showing up on the screen any second, all the colors that I'm using. So I won't waste your time in explaining all the colors. They'll be listed in the description, and you can see it in the picture above. They're all Arteza. So I'm just going to take my split cup and pour some paint in here and start filling it up, and we're going to go to town. So I know this one's gold. Now this split cup is fairly large, what he made me. I think it's probably going to hold about 14 ounces of paint. I probably won't fill it all the way, but I am going to do 2 colors, I think, in each slot. So I'm going to do Payne's Gray as well. Okay, I'll stop there with those. I'm just going to put those here for now. Then we got some, I think it's Scarlet Red is the next one I'm doing. Oops, spilt some. With, I think it's Pale Mauve is the next color, if I remember correctly. Now we got Lemon Yellow, which is one of my favorite colors. I'll turn my cup. Put my yellow in. And then we got Arteza's, I think it's Bright Green is actually what it was called. Now I did see a couple of little floaties in here from the Floetrol, so I might have to get my tweezers and pull it out when I pour this. Just get those ready. Okay, so I've got all 6 of my colors in. I think I'm going to do the Payne's Gray and the gold on this side. Same as what I did on the other side, only Payne's Gray's on the top and gold's on the bottom. This time I'm going to do Payne's Gray on the bottom and gold on the top. Okay. Just put my colors all aside here. Pretty sure that's going to be enough paint for this size canvas. Plenty of paint. This has already got the white acrylic on there. I'm just going to give it a quick torch. Get some of these bubbles out. Whoop. And of course I just filled it, so it has a little bounce back. Don't worry, I got water put aside just in case. Okay. Let's do my very first split cup. Okay, I'm going to start, I think I'm going to start right in the middle. And then I'm going to do some circles. And change the direction of my circles. And see what we get. Some very cool lines happening. How can you tell I'm concentrating? I'm not saying a word. Perfect time for you guys to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell right beside it. It'll give you notification every time I upload another video. And subscribing is free to do. There's no charge. I promise not to try and sell you anything. Although if you do see any of the things that I use, like my torch, there we go, my torch or stir sticks, cups, all that kind of stuff, I get it all off of Amazon. So if you're curious at all or needing some supplies, hit one of my links in the description. And if you buy something with my link, I'll get a tiny commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. Okay, let's give this a tilt. I'm just going to move my torch aside and my fancy split cup. I got to show you again. Isn't that awesome? With my YouTube channel name on it. I just love it. I have such an awesome guy in my life. Okay. Now, I think I'm just going to go slowly this way. Right to the corner. I know I just poured a whole bunch of paint off, but that's okay. I'm going to go back this way. Try and keep it in frame for you as much as I can. I really like those lines, they're awesome. I wanted a very colorful abstract, and I think I'm going to get just that. Okay, a little bit more to the corner here, sorry. There we go. A little bit more. You get it? Yeah, I got it. Okay. I'm gonna, hopefully the side view will get the shot. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. Okay, I just gotta put it down for a second, see what it's doing. Yeah, that looks pretty awesome. Okay, back this way. Okay. I don't mind a bit of negative space. Not sure I'm crazy about this spot right here that's got nothing. I'm going to pour that off, I think. Losing those lines that I wanted in there, but that's okay. I actually really like that. Okay, let's give it a little bit of a torch. We'll see how we're doing here. Wipe my hands a little bit and give it a torch. because of course with the Floetrol in there, it's going to cause some cells. There's no silicone in any of this paint. No water, no silicone, just paint and Floetrol. Okay. Now, I think I want to swipe something through there. What color do I want to swipe though? The gold? No. The panes? I think the pane's gray. Yeah, I think I do. You know what? I'm going to get it a little bit wet and dip it in. My paper towel. Actually, I probably want half this size. Do I have any smaller pieces here? No. I'm going to cut one. It's going to make it a little bit skinnier. Whoops, dropped a piece, that's okay. I'm just going to dip it right into my Payne's Gray. And see if I can swipe something unique into this area. Okay, let me give that a little bit of a torch. Okay, I'm just going to give it a second to do its thing and see if I like it. I have the reds and the greens popping up. I think it needs a little bit more. No, now that I'm looking, I'm thinking I like the red even. You know what? I'm going to live on the edge. I'm going to put some red in there too. Okay, let's give that a torch. Should I do it there too? Yep, I think I should. This is all trial and error. Let's see. Just going to swipe some yellow through here. See if it does anything. Just going to stretch my cells a tiny bit by tilting it. Oh, I like that. It's a very, very unique painting for sure. Let's see what else we can do here. Do I dare wreck it? This one needs a little bit of red going through too. cool cells are coming up right here. Just not a lot here. I'm not sure why that is. Too much white maybe? But it does look really neat. Yep, I think I'm going to wreck it, you guys. I'm just going to take my stylus. And go through here a little bit. Just feel like it needed some design in that purple and gold with the green mixed in. Yes, I like that a lot. I'm going to do it through this whole section. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to mess with it anymore except for a little bit of a torch again. Alright. Now I'm going to give it a quick little tilt, hold it up so you can see the design I did. There we go. My very first split cup, and I am pretty happy with that. It's very abstract and it's very unique colors, but that's okay. I'm totally happy with it. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone. For sure, I'll be trying some more of this split cup action. Maybe a few different color choices, but other than that, I am so happy. Thanks again, everyone. Come back and watch another video.